Myself, Prakash Narayan Bhargav. I am one of the directors of Prakash Packagers, Lucknow.
And I am Amit Bhargav, Director Prakash Packagers, Lucknow.
I established Prakash Packagers in the year 1973 after having completed polygraphy engineering from Engineering College of Printing Technology, Leipzig.
Since then, Prakash Packagers has won many national awards on national and international forum. It has been a journey of approximately 50 years since my father started Prakash Packagers, and there is no looking back. Today, we are spread across an area of 30,000 square feet and converting tons of paper every month. We bought our first Komori in the year 2008. It was a Lithrone 1920 into 26 size. Our experience with our first Komori was absolutely wonderful. The production speeds were very good. It was a maintenance-free machine, which encouraged us over the years to buy 4 new machines again. Lastly, being a GLA 440, which we bought a year back from Drupa. Komori as a whole is an absolutely maintenance-free machine. The Komori India has given us perfect support. The people, the team of Komori India are only a phone call away. And this was one of the main factors that motivated us to go in for Komori.
The make-ready time as compared to the other machines is very, very less.
In turn, it's a really cost-effective machine. With this high speed, quick make-ready time, less maintenance, it makes it a perfect choice for any commercial printer. Define Komori in one word.
Quality.
Quality or speed?
Speed.
Print in one word.
Art.
Our vision for the next 5 years is to expand into the packaging world. For this, we have already invested in a land package of approximately 70,000 square feet. And in the next 2 years, we shall be investing in the press room and start production. We want to capture the ever-growing packaging industry from the state of Uttar Pradesh, as Uttar Pradesh is now one of the leading investment centers of India. So looking into the next 5 years, yes, packaging is on our agenda and we will definitely make sure we do it. We at Prakash Packagers have been continuously upgrading our technology to give our customers the best quality in a quick time around and the best product of it as far it is available in this world.
Thank you so much, Komori team, for giving us the backup support. Thank you.